Do you think you don't need a website? Well, you might be wrong. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 7 types of people who think they don't need a website, but actually really do. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, or just someone with a passion project, having an online presence can completely change the game for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a web developer to create one. So let's dive into the 7 types of people who should definitely have a website, starting with number 1. Type 1, so the local service provider. Let's say you're a plumber, an electrician, dog walker, a house cleaner, and you might think, I get all my customers through word of mouth. Why do I need a website? Here's why. When someone recommends you, the first thing people do is Google your name. If they can't find you online, they might choose someone else who looks more established. Not ready for a full website? Even a simple one-page HTML site with your contact info can be live in seconds. Type 2, the creative professional. Let's say you're a photographer, an artist, or a designer posting your work on Instagram. But what happens if someone wants to hire you for a wedding or commission? They need to see your full portfolio, your pricing, and how to contact you professionally. A website gives you credibility that social media alone just can't provide. Or create a PDF portfolio and host it as a shareable link. And this is something you can even password protect for specific clients. Type 3, the side hustler. Let's say you're selling handmade crafts on Etsy or doing freelance work on the weekends. You think platforms like Etsy are enough, but having your own website means that you own your customer relationships. Plus, you can capture email addresses and build a loyal customer base. Just set up an email capture on a landing page offering a discount code. Now you're building your own customer list independently. Type 4, the job seeker. So you think your LinkedIn profile is enough, but a personal website sets you apart from other candidates. It's like having a digital business card that showcases your skills, experience, and personality in a way that a resume simply can't. Even hosting your resume as a PDF with link tracking lets you see exactly which recruiters or companies viewed it. Type 5, the small restaurant or cafe owner. You're on Google Maps and maybe Facebook, but customers want to see your menu. They want to see your hours and the atmosphere before they visit. Now, a simple website with photos of your food and clear information builds trust and draws people in. Or simply share your menu as a PDF link with a QR code on each table. Easy to update and customers can save it to their phones. Now, type 6, the consultant or coach. You network in person and you think that's enough, but potential clients want to research you online first. A website establishes your expertise and gives people confidence in your services before they even meet you. You can host your free guide or ebook as a PDF with email capture enabled. Visitors give you their email before accessing your valuable content, and you can use that to build a mailing list. Now, type 7, the passionate hobbyist. You love gardening, cooking, or woodworking, but think it's just a hobby. Here's the thing, your knowledge and passion could help others and maybe even become a side income. A website lets you share your expertise and connect with like-minded people, and you could also use feedback mode to let visitors comment directly on your content. Now, this is perfect for building an engaged community. So now you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but I don't know how to code or design a website. Well, that's where TinyHost comes in. Now, you can literally drag and drop your content and have a professional looking website within seconds. And let me show you how simple this is. So I'm going to create just a basic website for a general service, and I'll just go to TinyHost and drag and drop my content. I'm just going to click and upload file. And as you can see here, I just have a general dog walking resume that I want to upload. We can just click open. And let's say I have a brand and it's called Rover Walks. I can just change this to Rover Walks. Now, if we just click publish, within seconds, we are live and ready to go. And it's not a website with a really long domain or anything like that. It's just roverwalks.tiny.co. Simple as that. Now, if we wanted to also make this, let's say, a password protected, so it's a bit more private and we want to make sure that only our customers can see this, we can update this, go to the access mode and just click password protected. So now anyone who knows the password rover123 can access this file. So again, we can view link and see if it's password protected. It is. Let's pretend we know the password, and then it will take you to the website. Now, again, if we go to TinyHost, if you want to track who's actually visiting your website, you can also go to the analytics section, which is just down here, and you can find all analytics plus tracked links. So here we are, we can see we've had 3 total page views, we've got 1 current visitor, we can see when people are viewing it, and we can also see where in the world people are viewing it, what device they're viewing. The list goes on. We can also create tracked links. So if we want to send this to a specific person, let's say it's a big client that has 3 dogs, and we want to make sure that we can win this as a client, we can create this specific link and send it to them. And then when we send that, they can view it. We will know when they have viewed it, and then we can follow up and make sure that we win them as a client. There's so much we can do that TinyHost can really help us with. And again, we can even capture email addresses. So if we just, again, go to update files, we go to access mode, and instead of password protected, we want to capture emails. So now, whenever someone goes and clicks on the link, they will have to enter their email to access the file. So that is a great way where we can build up a mailing list. So another thing is you can also get a custom domain for your website. So if we wanted to do this, we would just go to the 3 dots over here and we would just click publish to a custom domain. Now let's say your brand is called Rover Walks, so we can just type that in, .com, and we just go next, do your own domain, we go through all of the different sections, and this is how you can then connect your domain. You just have to go through the DNS changes and it will all be set up. So then you can have pdf.roverwalks.com, which obviously looks a lot more professional when you're handing out business cards. So you can also generate QR codes, so it's as simple as that. It didn't even take a second. You can just click the QR, you can copy this, download it, send it as a PNG, and people can scan this. So you can create stickers for it, and it will take it to that specific link. So the bottom line is this: in today's world, not having a website is like not having a phone number. People expect to find you online, and when they can't, they move on to someone who does have an online presence. So which type are you? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on building your online presence.